Okay, this is a 2014 Acadia Denali. As you can see right here, this daytime running light is working, and this one right here is dead. So I'm gonna tell you what's the problem. I found out what's the problem, so I'm gonna show you what you can do if you have the same problem, right? I already checked all the fuses, and that's not the problem. So that's dead, and this one is working. So I'm gonna show you what's the problem. Okay, as you can see right here, this car, has salvage title, right? And this car was involved in a little accident uh, uh, a couple of years ago. And this thing right here, I'm gonna show you right here. As you can see right here, this thing right here is broke. So as you can see, there was a lot of water in here, like maybe half pound of water was inside that thing. So I already drained it all. It's dry now, but the light is not working, right? So, but I see all the water got in this hole right here. And as you can see right here, okay, as you can see right here, that's the problem right here. Don't get confused with this one. This is the baluster for the HID low beam, high beam. This one right here, yeah, that's the one. That's for your HID daytime running light. So this one, it's day. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Yeah, that's the one day. I already unscrewed it. It's better to do it a little bit faster. Yeah. So I'm gonna switch it to see the difference. Okay, the one from over here, I'm gonna take it off and put it right here. And this one, I'm gonna put it over there. And you wanna see the difference. You wanna see that the problem is this thing right here for your daytime running light. Yeah. Okay, right now let me turn off the car, and I'm gonna, okay. Let me take this off. Let me see if you can see what I'm doing right here, but it's a little bit hard to work with one hand. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, as you can see right here. Yeah. Just all you gotta do is just press this one right here and take it out. Okay, let me do it with one hand. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah, okay, let me put this. All right, let's do this. Okay, there you go. Okay, this is the back one. It got wet, that's why you see it's all like right here, like kind of rusted. I don't know if you're able to see inside. You got wet. Yeah, it's in there. It's all rusted. Got wet. Yeah, because the hole is right here. Yeah. And all the water got in here, or the moisture, whatever. This thing was over here. So that's the problem. This is the make, model. That's the number right here. 2014 Acadia Denali. It might work with another cars though. So yeah, let me take. I had to take these headlights off. I mean out. It was easy because this car was involved in a car accident before I got it, and they repaired the front fender. So that's why it was easier for me to take these lights. Yeah, so this is the good one. And we are gonna swap it. We are gonna switch to the other side and see. Okay. And I'm gonna show you the difference. What's the difference between these two right here? Okay, this is the good one. Yeah, that's the good one right here. As you can see right here, it looks clean. And this one right here it's like okay, bad, good. Okay, let's put it on right here and see. All you gotta do is just yeah, just right here, and it's gonna go right here. Okay, I'm gonna test it. As you can see right here, I'm not gonna just put it right here. And this one, I'm gonna put the old one. Maybe it works with this one right here. Okay, let's see. Put this one right here. That's the fastest way if you wanna find out real quick what's the problem. Is you gotta switch one to the other one like I did. Okay, I'm gonna turn on my car and see. Okay. Okay, you see? Now it works on this side right here. And the back one is over here now. Yeah. So what you need to do is buy a new control module. I think that's the name. Control module. It's like I already got mine. It's on the way. I got mine on eBay, like for $30 second hand. Yeah, $30 second hand, because I don't really like driving my car with only one daytime running light. So yeah, and as you can see right here, all I did is just take this off, and then I'm gonna put it back. Yeah, and there's one screw right here, one bolt, another one right here. It's like 3 of them. One more right here, and I think it's one more, like 4 of them. Yeah, and then you can take this out, because if you try to do it from under, it's gonna be a pain. So yeah. Okay, yeah. You got it. Buy a new. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.